friends, Mrs. Melson here. Hope you're doing well this morning. I thought today it would be fun to play with magnets. I just grabbed a magnet off of my refrigerator and I'm wondering what will stick to it, what won't stick to it, and why. So I grabbed a few things from around the house and I am going to see what will stick to the magnet and what won't stick to the magnet. I found a dice, some different screws, bolts, a keychain and key, a cotton ball, paper clips, a pipe cleaner, and these fun hooks, S hooks, J hooks, they look like a J maybe. And I'm gonna see, I've just grabbed a magnet off the fridge and see what will stick to it. First, I'm gonna see if the dice, what do you think? What's your prediction? What do you think will do? Will it stick? No, a dice doesn't stick. All right, let's try these different screws and bolts. Do they stick? Let's see. They do. Look at that. Oh. Not only do they stick, they're dancing around. When I got close to it, I could feel it start having a different feeling to it. A magnet is a force. It's a force that pushes or pulls. Just like if you and you were wanting somebody out of your way and you push them, that is a force. It pushes it away. Or if you want to grab somebody and draw them close, that's a force. So these are dancing. Okay, let's see. What about the paper clips? It's kind of fun. What do you think? Think the paper clips are gonna, I don't know, they don't look like metal. They're all fancy and painted. Let's see what they do. Oh, look at them, they're jumping right on there. Do you see it? Let's try it again. Here we go. Pull it back. Make sure you can see. Look at that. Super fun. All right, so the paper clips stuck. What about the key and the key ring? Let's try the key first. Nope. It's not moving. Nothing's happening. What about the key ring? Let's try the key ring. But they both look the same. They look like they're the same color. Why would the key ring stick and the key not? What about the cotton ball? Look at that, looks like a cloud. Let's see if it'll stick. Nope, nothing on the cotton ball. Didn't stick. All right, what about the pipe cleaner? What do you think is gonna happen with the pipe cleaner? Did that surprise you? Look at that. Let's try it again. It was really, really strong. Wonder if we can make it dance. Ooh. Okay, what about the J hooks, S hooks, whatever they're called? Wow, that one really jumped. Try it again. Oh. I wonder what is making some of the things attract to the magnet and some of them aren't. Do you think it has to do with what they're made of? even though this is colored on the outside, I think there might be a metal on the inside that makes it attract. And even though the key and the keychain are the same color, they're made out of different materials. And so a magnet will attract to some things. Iron is one, and not to others. What if we play a game with our magnets? Remember in math this week we used our eggs. Do you remember how many we had? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 eggs. Do you remember how many 12 equals? It's the same as a dozen. You could say 12 or you can say a dozen. So we are only going to use 6 of our dozen eggs. I'm going to take all of the things I have here, put them inside our eggs, and we're going to use the magnet to see if we can find out which ones would be attracted to the magnet and which ones wouldn't. All right, let me put them in there. You run and get your eggs while I do this. Okay, so I grabbed my eggs and I hid inside of 6 of the eggs the items that we were just using. And now we'll use the magnet and see if we can figure out which ones will be attracted to the magnet and which ones won't. So we're gonna put a nest for our eggs with a happy face, and that nest we'll put in the eggs that do attract to the magnet. And then we will put a nest, and he's really kind of sad because his eggs don't attract to the magnet. We'll put that one right there. Okay, so then, and this is all, your mom or dad should have this, or you can just draw your own nest. Maybe build one. All right, so number 1. Let's start with number 1. We don't know what's in. Let's see if we go down with the magnet. Will it attract? Ah, I feel it. Oh, look at that. Number 1. So which nest should I put it in? It attracts to the nest. Let's put it in the happy one. Okay. All right, number 2. Nope. We'll put him in the sad one. Number 3. Let's see. I feel some attraction. Not as strong as number 1, but it is there. So it goes in the happy nest. All right, number 4. Oh, I feel a little bit. Oh, there. What do you think? Oh. Let's try it down here. Oh. Okay, it's a little bit. We'll put him in the happy face. What about number 5? Let's see. Nope. Nothing. The sad nest. What about number 6? Let's see. Oh. Put him in the happy nest. Okay, so that is all of our eggs. And now we can color. There's a sheet, and you can color what number eggs. It says which eggs were you able to pick up. And so we were able to pick up, and these are the ones that you would color. Number 1, number 3, number 4. And what was this number? You tell me. Number 6. So 1, 3, 4, and 6 you were able to pick up. You can color those in. Now, another thing you can do, which I thought this was fun, I had fun playing with it, is you can take the ones that were attracted to the magnet, and you can put them here and watch what you can do when they're just on the table. Move them around, make them dance. What do you think? Could you push them, pull them, pull that one? What do you think that happens? Watch this one. Back here. Oh, you could have so much fun with these. All right, next one. See what that one is? Oh, lost him. Lost the egg. All right, next one. Let's see. Oh, kind of make him rock. Rock. Look at that. You can make your eggs dance. See if I can make him stand up. Maybe. Oh. So much fun. And what about number 6? Number 6. Oh, and he stands up. And he stands up. That is awesome. And then you can open them up and see what was inside. There's our paper clips. Our sheet here, which things were magnetic, our paper clips, our pipe cleaner. It may be soft on the outside, but on the inside there is a little piece of wire, and it's the wire that's actually magnetic. And our key rings, because remember the key wasn't magnetic, just the key rings. And then our bolts and screws. Those were all the things that we picked up before. So you can take a magnet just from your refrigerator, or maybe you have one in a different place, and you can walk around your house and see what other things are magnetic. What will the magnet stick to? Does it stick to the counter? Does it stick to a chair? Does it stick to your water bottle? What does it stick to? And you can think about it. And in the comments below, I've put a video for our science show all about magnets, and you can watch more about it, and it'll explain it even more of why a magnet works. Let me know what you try and how much fun you had with those. Talk to you soon. Bye.